All right, welcome back, eSIMstudios. So I have got a full charge from this device. Charged it up, S25 Edge. Charged it up to 100%. Now I am down to about 3%. So I wanted to jump on here, get something on video right before we die. So let's take a look at these battery stats. Can this device, no, we're on 2%. Can this device last a full day of use? Now, it'll get better as I use it, right? This is just the very first full charge, but let's take a look. So, since last charged was 100%, stopped charging 19 hours and 21 minutes ago. So, it's last 19 hours and 21 hours, but let's take a little more in-depth review. So, used 98% in the last 19 hours and 22 minutes. Screen on time, 5 hours and 39 minutes. Screen off time, 11 hours, 50 minutes. Now, you can tell, take a look at this. So, there's a considerable, let me focus on there. There's a considerable drop-off at about, getting notifications. Considerable drop-off if you look right here. So that's when I was sleeping at that plateau. This was last night at about 12 hours ago. No, when did I fully charge it? Around this time yesterday, I fully charged it. Normally, when you get a new phone, whenever you get it, you're supposed to drain it to 0 and then charge it to 100. But I wanted to make a video as soon as possible in regards to the full life's battery use, right? So instead of charging it down to 0, because I think right out of the box it was like 40-something percent, 42%. So what I did was, instead of charging it to 0, I've charged it to 100, and then and then we're now at 2%. Used it, went to sleep. You can tell that's when I went to sleep, right there at that plateau. Now, look at this drop off. So when I woke up right around there and started using it, it just completely fell off. And we're at 2% right now. Now, you can tell my usage. So YouTube got 19%, messages, Chrome, One UI Home, Google Play Services, System UI, Galaxy Wearable, Speed Test, Gmail, Camera, My Radar, Quick Share Connectivity, Contact Storage, Continuity Service, Wireless Emergency Alerts, blah, 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 blah. It basically took nothing. But you can tell there were some apps that I was using, right? So this is just the very first charge. Now, as I mentioned, it will get better with time. How much better? I don't know. Could you possibly get it past 6 hours of screen on time? Yes. Do you think it might be able to creep up to 7 hours of screen on time? I think that might be pushing it. It tends to drop off. You tend to. There was a point when I was eating breakfast where I was watching the battery go from 24 down to 16%. I was watching the battery, and you can basically watch the battery drain. Sit there and just stare at the battery, and it would drop about a percentage every minute and a half or so, maybe 2 minutes. So I'm a heavy user. I was on YouTube for a majority of it. I'm surprised that's not a bigger percentage or a larger number, because I was on it for, in my opinion, longer than that. But that's with Wi-Fi on, that's with data on, and normal usage. I did not baby it. I did not put it in battery saver mode. I just restored all my apps on there through a backup, and started using it as I normally would with any other phone. And that's going to be its Achilles heel, right? Is this a device for a power user? In my opinion, no. I'm using it mainly because of the YouTube video. If I had a choice, the power user, you're going to want a S25 Ultra. Power user, you're going to want a OnePlus 13, right? Because at least the OnePlus 13 gets phenomenal battery life. It basically doubles the battery life and/or screen on time of this device. But is this device a fun device to use? Yes. Is this device for somebody that has an office job that is close to a charger? Yes. Will this device live up to Samsung's claims of a full day battery life, meaning when you wake up and it's charged, if you go to bed, plug it in, and you wake up at 100%, could this last you a full day from when you wake up in the morning, let's just say at 7 a.m., normal 9 to 5. You wake up at 7, get to the office at 9, you leave at 5, you get home, and at 7 p.m., would you possibly find a charger to plug it into? Yes. Do I think this will last from 7 a.m. when you wake up in the morning to when you go to bed at 10 or 11 p.m.? That's pushing it. I think that's stretching it, quite honestly, but will this make it from when you get home from the office, so let's just say at like 5:30 from a typical 9 to 5, you get home and then you plug it in while you take your work clothes off or do whatever you do to wind down, plug it in while you crack a beer or whatever. Yes, this should last a typical 9 to 5. Now, that's light usage because you're working throughout the day, right? You're not on this all day, every day. You're doing your normal job activities, right? But if you're on this all day, every day, you're playing games, you're on YouTube all day, I doubt it will. But a normal person that works at 9 to 5, yes, this should last. This should last you, at least to when you get home and you can put it back on a charger. But that drop-off is pretty significant. Now, I'm going to keep a close eye. After I get done with this video, I'm going to plug it back in, charge it back up to 100, and we shall take a look. Now, I can't go back. Now, on Samsung, you might be able to go back into your previous history. This is only day one. There is an application on here called GSMA. Now, it's not on the Play Store. You have to download it from APK Mirror. But this is a good battery application to have. Once you get a couple days on it, the averages will fill out down here. And it's a good measuring stick. It just gives you a little more in-depth information, right, about your battery. And I did a app review on this app before, but I'm also going to be taking a look at this application throughout the testing phase of this S25 Edge. But it'll give you a little more in-depth. It takes a couple days, at least a few charges, to get averages as far as where your device is at. But I will keep everybody in tuned, and please subscribe to the channel, and we will discuss this at a later time. We'll see. I'll make another video and see where we're at on day 2. So I'm going to plug this in, get back to 100, and we will go from there. I did not go outside and take pictures today. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to run some errands tomorrow. So I'm going to go outside, take a bunch of pictures and stuff, and I'm not going to plug it in at all. We'll see how far I can get tomorrow. I'm going to plug it in overnight, wake up at 100%, and give it a full day's use with pictures and 4K video. So it's supposed to be like 92 tomorrow here. So that'll be a good test, see if I can overheat it. But this is the review of the very first charge on the S25 Edge. And if y'all got any questions or you want me to test something specifically on this device, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will definitely see what I can do for y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.